魔法動物学者のニュートと一緒にいたずら好きの魔法動物たちが世界を救うアクション、ファンタスティックビーストとダンブルドアの秘密。
Some of the most significant characters in the wizarding world are the wondrous creatures. In this film, there are exciting new creatures and old favourites.
We've got the Niffler, who's now called Teddy.
He remains one of Newt's favourite creatures and also the bane of his life. He's there with Pickett. They've sort of sat into their roles as heroes in these films. Akio! There's this extraordinary new creature called a wyvern,
Which is a little bird-like two-legged dragon, and it has massive wings.
In the Harry Potter universe, the Phoenix is this spirit that comes to Dumbledores who are in need.
Fascinating creatures, phoenixes.
This Phoenix found Credence. We get the sense that he cares for Credence and is trying to protect him.
But these new creatures are not always our friends.
We've got these amazing creatures, which are called manticores.
I'm excited for the world to see manticores. They're these sweet little crab-like things that are obviously in no way, shape or form sweet.
After the Harry Potter films, I was desperate to make a film where we could just explore beautiful, mysterious, magical creatures. I couldn't be more excited to join them on their adventure.
Our war with the Muggles begins today!
The wizarding world's in turmoil. Grindelwald has risen and amassed a greater following and is therefore a greater threat.
Dumbledore has recruited this group of wizards to fight against his nemesis.
There is a team of goodies and baddies, and we are both actively working against each other.
Grindelwald has the ability to see the future. So if we hope to defeat him, then our best hope is to confuse him.
It's working on me right now. Dumbledore recruits this mini army, if you like.
This is a band of outsiders who come together to perform this mission. Every single one of them is an outsider and doesn't really belong, but does belong as part of this group. The army that is created, a bit like Dumbledore's army in the Harry Potter films. Harry, Ron, Hermione, Neville, Dean, and now Newt, Lally, Bunty, Karma, Theseus, and Jacob.
This eccentric but incredibly gifted team of wizards who each bring a different skill set. They are sent off on individual missions that one hopes Dumbledore has an overview and a sense of.
Dumbledore's got a real checkered history of being able to encourage people to do crazy things, but we love him for that.
We are all trying to save the world while not knowing essentially how we're going to do it. We are working through our own personal journeys to have faith in what Dumbledore's plan is.
If we're to defeat him, you'll have to trust me.
One of the things I love about Beast's movies and the Potter films is they have thriller elements, they have comedy, they have whimsy, and then they have pure spectacle.
I always think to Order of the Phoenix, and I don't think we've seen magic done as well as that since, so here our aim is to top that.
It's this real magical, cinematic experience. We're exploring these characters and going deeper with them, and the universal themes of brotherhood, friendship, family, and ultimately hope.